So guys, this is going to be the tour of my van. We're about to go to Mornington Peninsula in Victoria, Australia, and we're going to be doing a food and drink festival, and there we're going to be doing mocktails. Let's see how this goes. When we get to Mornington, I'll do the quick setup inside the van, and you can have a look, see what's going on. So we'll just do a quick walkthrough of the van. This is the outside, obviously. A little step to get on the inside. We've got water jugs, we've got a water pump and a water heater for the 3 sinks. This is where I usually set up the cocktails. This is my ice well. And over here, I've got my neon sign, which sits on these hooks on the wall. Underneath, this is where we put all the alcohol. And in this case, just the mixers for the mocktails. You love my voiceovers.
I would do the same thing.
Voiceovers are amazing.
Can I have another photo in front of these beautiful, delicious drinks? I'm going to send it to my partner. Thank you. They're so accommodating. Oh, okay.
So we're going to be like
It's nice.
doing the... Everybody, this is Karen from Botanikos Syrups. Hi Karen, how's it going?
Hi Ben, I'm so happy to be here with you at the Mornington Market for Hunt Gather Gander. We are mixing up some delicious mocktails with my all-natural botanical syrups, rosemary, lavender, lime, making some great mocktails with Ben. So happy to be here. Check out our website at botanikos.com.au. Shop online, free delivery. These are delicious. You want to try them.
Hi Renee.
Hi.